Here's our resident tapper. Here's one of the tappers. Hello, tapper. Hello, tap, tap, tap. Hello, tapper. Here's another tapper. Hello, love. Hello, tappers. Hello, tapper. Here's another one. Here's another tapper. Hello, love. Hello, tappers. Hello, love. Oh, look at that. You'd have my finger. You'd have my finger, tapper. Hello, tappers. Nice tapper. Oh yes, you'd have my finger in a fit. Hello, tapper. Here's another one. Here's another one. Hello, love.
I want cheese, did you?
Yeah. Hello, love. Hello,
We're going to eat a whole one of those. We do want to take half one. I suppose we'll need to take it in the container, otherwise it'll fall apart.
You'd have it, wouldn't you, tapper? You want a cheese sandwich? I know you would, Scribby. Come on, tapper. You want to be in YouTube? Hello, love.
Did you want to put the others? One of those in a container, or did you want?
I've got the cup of soup. Yeah, we can take them. Do that. Hello, tapper. Scrib, shush. Look at all the tappers. There's a whole lot of tappers out there.
I know. You've gone nuts over the tappers, love.
Scrib.
Well, I'm over the tappers too, love.
We're tired of your tappers.
No, I'm so uncomfortable.
Come on, tappers. Tappers. Tapper. Come here. Come here. Come on. There, tapper. Come on, tapper.
We can't put that
Come
in
on.
with that. I'll have to
I
put
know.
this in the bag.
Come along. Come on, tappers.
Did you want me to take one out and keep one, or
Yeah,
one?
yeah. Yeah, we can do that.
Or did you want? Do you want to
No,
pull one?
take them. Take them. Scrib. Although it's a good container, so leave it there. It's easier. Scrib, what are you doing, Scrib? Trying to get this tapper. Here, tapper. Here, I know. All right.
Mind on the business to have.
There you are, love. All right, tappers. We're going out to have something to eat. Leave your tappers here. You've had your breakfast. You'll have to go away now and come back afterwards. Sure, Scrib.
Oh, I'll take it with us.
Yeah, take it
It
with us.
melts. It melts. I can
No, it
put
won't.
in with the
It
soup.
won't. It won't melt.
You can't put it
Hello,
in
love.
the soup because it will go. The liquid.
Hello, love. All right.
What are you doing, Bubs? You coming?
See you later, tappers. See you later, tappers.
Busy playing with the bird.
There you are. See you later, tapper. Where are you?
Oh, this is so uncomfortable.
Come here. Come here. All right. All right, tapper.
Oh, grumpy.
All right. Bye-bye, tapper.
Are these towels to be washed or what?